Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and in today's video I'm going to show you my 3 all-time favourite celeb homes. So these won't be your typical celeb homes, these are more so, you might have heard some of these celebs. I use the word kind of celeb very loosely. Most of these I found on Architectural Digest, or they've been in the 73 questions with Vogue. So these are my favourite ones that I've seen. What kind of drew me to these homes is the way they kind of live and their lifestyle, and just their spaces that they live in is just like amazing. Literally, like, all these homes I would love to own someday. Like, these are my kind of goals and my style that I love as well. And because I love like a mixture of different styles, I'm not very one for like all modern or all country or all a specific style. I like a mixture, and these homes all have like a variety of styles, which I really love. So guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'm going to start off with one of my favorites. This home is by Nate Berkus and Jeremiah Brent. They're both interior designers, and they share this home with their daughter, and it's amazing. It's in California, and oh my god guys, when you see these like rolls of clips that are coming, like, you're gonna flip. This is truly like amazing, this home. When you walk in first, you're greeted with this amazing staircase. It's the balustrade is original wrought iron. They really transformed it amazingly. They were saying in their interview that they really wanted to keep the kind of architectural details of the space, which I really appreciate, because it's such a stunning home. It just looks like such a relaxing, calm space, and it's very homely. It's not cold. It's, you know, looks lived in, which I really like. Some of these homes that you see, they're just so like perfect, and you'd be scared to sit down or touch anything, which this one you wouldn't, because everything looks so comfy. They said in an interview as well that when you live with a small child, you don't want to feel beholden to your possessions, which I really agree with, because in your space, if you have kids, you don't want everything to feel very precious and like, ooh, get off the couch. You know, you want it to be able to be lived in and appreciated and enjoyed, because if it's all very like precious, you won't be able to relax, you'll be very stressed out, and it just won't work. So they also say that they also have a clean look. There's not a lot of colour. It's very kind of calming, very neutral, but it's still amazing. There's so much texture and shapes and pattern in the space as well, and history, which is really amazing. I really love that they kept the architectural integrity of the space. I really love just the whole flow of the house and the whole feel of the house, even just by watching it. Like, obviously I haven't been there, but just by watching the video, you really get the sense of calm. And the kitchen is just, oh my god, the kitchen is like amazing. It is just stunning. It has this amazing black marble, I think it is, black splash, and it has these 2 lanterns over the island, and it's just like stunning. It's so symmetrical, and that's like, I love symmetry, so like, oh, it's just stunning. But yeah guys, that's Nate Berkus and Jeremiah Brent's house. That's one of my all-time favourites. Okay guys, so the next home is Mandy Moore's home. It's in Pasadena. It's amazing. It's a lot different from Nate and Jeremiah's home in California. Theirs is more kind of Spanish colonial style, whereas this one's more mid-century. So as you can see, like, my taste is so different, but this house is truly stunning. It again pays homage to the original features of the house and the original characteristics of the house. It's just like, oh, we just not love to live here. Like, it's amazing, and the colour scheme and everything is just to a point, and I really respect that she gave credit to her designer. Like, a lot of these celebs don't give credit to the designer when they're doing tours of their homes and all, and I really appreciate that she did give credit to her designer, because she probably, from the looks of this, a lot of detail went into every decision, like the floor tiles, everything. Even with the brass accents, you can see it's in the chimney hood, it's also in the floor tiles, it's in the coffee tables, it's in the lamp. It's really, the detailing is just next level. It's great. It's so beautiful. It's really in keeping with her own personal style as well. I always think that a good designed home is a perfect mix between the client and the designer. This house is truly amazing. Like, the curtains, the art, the color scheme, everything's just so perfect. Oh my god guys, the kitchen! when you see the kitchen, breathtaking. Could you imagine like walking into that space and seeing that light flooding through from the ceiling, and then the all-white kitchen with the marble countertops? It's just truly breathtaking. And then the brass accents as well, coming in from the living area, and then she also has some pink accents as well with the plates, and it's just everything is just perfect together. Yes, that's one thing for me. I need to live somewhere where I can either see the ocean or the ocean is near me, because I've grown up like beside the ocean, so I couldn't do that. Like, even though I'd settle for this, I'd settle for a mountain view up in the hills, because it's truly like amazing. And I'm obsessed with the outdoor chairs that she has. They're very simple and minimalistic, and they're just stunning. They're not like very clunky like a lot of outdoor furniture you see, and it's just amazing. And the fireplace as well is just truly stunning. Everything's just stunning about this place. I truly like, I'm obsessed with it, as you can tell by the way I'm speaking, because it's amazing. And then her bedroom, oh my god guys, her bedroom, like, could you imagine waking up there? You wake up in the best mood like every day. It's kind of gives me like a bohemian kind of vibe as well, with that mixed mid-century modern as well. I really like the whole kind of mishmash together of decades of design. Then you can't go wrong with a all white linen bed, and you can add in your pops of colour. And I really love her style and just her whole aesthetic of this place. It's just truly stunning. And then again, her bedroom opens up onto the pool, so how can you beat that? Okay guys, so the next house I want to show you is Ellen DeGeneres and Portia's villa. It's like the holiday home. I think it's in Montecito, California, but it's not their actual home. It's another home they have, so like them guys are loaded, so they got cash. But this place is, oh my god, stunning. Like it's literally just no words to describe how beautiful this place is. Like, this is just the epitome of goals. Like, it's like a resort. They really stay true to the architectural elements of the space. Like, they haven't taken away from the history of the place, which is amazing. Like, the kitchen is just stunning. I love the marble again, with the kind of industrial kind of style kitchen as well, with the metal cabinets and drawers and everything. It's amazing. And then in the bedroom we have the real simple, it's very simple, like minimalistic, and then you have that stone wall. And the fireplace is just like, I'm speechless. Like, I'm speechless. But I just wanted to show you this because I am obsessed with this, but also it's so different as well from the past two homes I've shown you. It's just to kind of show you like the different types of interior design there is. Just so many different styles, and every style is stunning in its own way. Like, has a tennis court, like, come on, like. And it has, if you notice, there is sort of like a bar, and it has like a real modern kind of bar table, and then it's juxtaposed with that kind of antique kind of style bar cabinets, which is really cool. And then the furniture and everything's very kind of a mix between modern and vintage and classical design, which is truly like my favorite. I love like when everything's kind of juxtaposing, and it just works. It's just my favorite. And then it has a view of the ocean, of course, which is my favorite thing. I love homes like you can see the ocean. It's just something so like relaxing about that and freeing. Like, I find homes that like you can't see the ocean just very claustrophobic. Like, there's just a personal preference, I feel that is. But it's just amazing. So anyway, that's Ellen and Portia's villa. It's truly amazing. So Ellen, Portia, if you want to invite me out there, you know, I'm free anytime of the day, anytime of the week, anytime of the year. Just let me know and I'll be there. Okay guys, so that's it. That's my 3 favorite celeb homes. I just wanted to make a list of 3 just to comprise it a bit, because our kind is similar, and I just feel like I'd be repeating myself if I started breaking down more. There's a lot more that I am obsessed with, but they all kind of have that same kind of feel as the other 3. I just want to pick the 3 with the most contrast, so you get a good kind of idea of the kind of style I like. I like a lot of different kind of styles, but these are my 3 kind of all-time favorite kind of interior design styles. So yeah, these are amazing to look up for inspiration, for ideas, for all that good stuff. But anyway guys, let me know in the comments which one of these 3 was your favorite, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell just so you're notified whenever I upload next. and I will see you in the next one. Bye!